You know what time it is. It's time for a brand new video. It's been a while since I posted up a video, but we're going to do a first oil change on this 392. Got the oil. Takes around 7 quarts. I got a new drain plug. I want to upgrade the drain plug since it is magnetic. It's a lot better. And I have an SRT filter, which was not too hard to get from the dealership. It cost me 20 bucks. So let's get to it. Back with the video. I got the filter off. This is the old drain plug right here, which is going to be upgraded to the GoldPlug, which it is magnetic. This is the GoldPlug right here. It's a good plug. And yes, it is magnetic. There you go. It's strong as hell too. Now, I am upgrading this factory black filter to the SRT one, which these are for the 392s and the Hellcats, I believe too. But this is what should have been on from day one from the factory. So I have no idea why they did not have this on there, but hey, who knows. But anyway, so this is the inside of the oil filter housing, where this is gonna go right up there, and this is the drain plug where that's gonna go. So that's what it is. Alright, so I'm going to be adding some oil now. 040 Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic. I guess recommended by SRT. Street Racing Technology. By the way, if nobody knows what SRT means. I'm going to be adding it. We're going to be pressure checking it. Make sure there's no leaks. And we'll go from there. Alright, so I got the oil added. I put 6 quarts, and I'm gonna measure it from there to add the final quart, which will be 7 quarts for 392. We're gonna measure it, the oil levels, and then we're gonna pressure test it, make sure there's no leaks. Yeah, it's up at 55 PSI. Make sure there's no leaks on this. No leaks at all. Good. Let's double check. Make sure nothing is leaking from the bottom. All right, seems all good. Give it a little rev. All right, so now I'm back, and it is officially nighttime in Chicago, but got everything done, everything completed. If y'all can see, everything's all nice and done. All the levels are great. Got the oil in, no leaks at all. It is raining / snowing outside right now. Yes, I do smoke cigars, like cigars. Let's see, and show you guys. Everything's all good. Yeah, man, it's really raining outside / snowing. We're supposed to have an ice storm tonight, so I had to get this shit done. Let me see the performance pages. They should be popping up any minute. Sometimes it does take a while for some reason. But have no idea why, but see, yep, there it goes. It's popping up, the performance pages. Yay. All right, let's see here. All right, the key fob has left the vehicle. No, it hasn't. So I got this shit right here in my hands. All right, here's the performance pages. Everything's all good and up to T with it. So everything good. Gauges are good. Oil pressure is good. Everything's all set. So that's good to know and good to hear. This is a first oil change on this 2020 392. This is Chicago Beard SRT, about to sign out, about to get out of this cold. Look like shit. Probably smell like shit with this damn oil on me, but it's alright. I'll see you guys later. I'm about to smoke this damn cigar and enjoy the weekend. Talk to you guys later.